Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your science class. In our previous online class, we started revision of chapter number 11, Air, Water and Weather. And we discussed up to land breeze and sea breeze. Today, let us discuss about water. So, in our daily life, for lots of activities, we use water like drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning, washing, swimming, all those. Yes? And the earth's surface, it is covered with 70% of water. That's why it looks blue in color from space. Right? And we get water from rain, rivers, lakes and ponds. Some of the rainwater seeps into the ground when it rains, which passes through soil, and it is known as underground water. The level of underground water in an area is called water table. And we can draw out underground water through wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Water exists in 3 states. Ice, solid state, water, liquid state and water vapor in gas state. And all these 3 states are interchangeable. Yes. So here we learnt about underground water and water table. Underground water is what? When rainwater seeps into the ground, it passes through soil, which is called underground water, and the level of underground water in a particular area, it is called water table. And we can draw underground water through wells, tube wells, hand pumps, all those. Yes. Now let us know how the 3 states of water can be interchanged. First one, it is evaporation. When we heat water, it changes into water vapor, right? This process is called evaporation. Yes. So evaporation is the process through which water changes from liquid to gaseous state. And water evaporates faster when the temperature of the surroundings is high, as because clothes dry quickly on hot days. The air is dry or less humid. Clothes dry faster on a dry day than on a humid day. If there is wind, clothes dry fast on a windy day, and the exposed surface of water is large. So these are some points where evaporation of water takes place faster. Yes. And the next process is condensation. When we boil water in a container, as shown in this picture, covered with a lid, we see some tiny droplets of water on the inner side of the lid, right? These tiny droplets are formed due to change of water vapor into water. So the process by which water vapor changes into water on cooling, it is called condensation. Yes. And water vapor rises in the air, as because gaseous state is lighter. Yes. Then it condenses and to form droplets of water and form clouds. Yes. And when clouds become heavy, they fall as rain. Yes. And water vapor also condenses to form dew, fog, frost, hail, snow and rain. Now let us know about them. First one, it is about dew. On cold mornings, water vapor condenses on the surface of leaves and grass. As shown here, it's called what? Dewdrops. Yes. And here it is a picture of showing fog, right? When it is very cold, water vapor condenses on the dust particles to form thick clouds of tiny droplets just above the land or water, which is called fog. And frost is another form of condensation. When it is very cold, dewdrops freeze to form crystals of ice. Okay, it is called frost. And hail is when raindrops pass through a very cold region of the atmosphere, they freeze to form some pellets of ice. These pellets of ice are called hail. Yes? Okay. And the next one is snow. Okay. In extremely cold weather, water vapor condenses to form snow instead of water droplets. And rain, as we all know, water vapor condenses and falls to the ground in the form of drops of water, which is called rain. Yes? Okay. Now, next we are given about water cycle. So, what is water cycle? The process of evaporation and condensation. Okay. It is a continuous process in nature. So, it is called water cycle. As water from water bodies evaporates due to the heat of sun and then rises up and condenses to form tiny droplets of water. These tiny droplets of water fall as rain again. Okay, so it is a complete cycle. Yes, and this continuous cycle or process, it is called water cycle. Okay, and with this we are going to conclude today's class. In our next class we will discuss the remaining topic, which is purification of water. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.